hapon alas 12 lumabas ng tanghal. Nag-aapoy sa para pademonyo sumapit nila malangil noo. Para jablo na ngayon dati po sa naging aso bigla naging neon. Ang aso mo naman hoy para hindi ka palaboy. Feeling magaling asarap mo sa paken. Kala mo kung ano na kanyang narating. Kahit mabait-bait ang kasi nungaling ka pa rin. Sa unang tingin talaga alam ko na. Isa ka lang mababang nilalang tanga. Napakakasarating at magaling. Kahit yung galawin mo boy ay zero pa rin. Ganito bumare isang bati ka. Ano kaya kahit magsasal ka sa bati ka. Malas mo lang kasi ikaw ang napagtripan. At kahit saan hindi kita aatrasan. Kala ko ba ay nakapag-aral pero ang manners ay napakabarumal. Sa magagawa ko wala kang bilib. Kutat na lang katakot ka kay kabog sa dudlib. Kutat doble kara ang galawan. Pinipilit na mamukhang mayaman. Kainin mo ang bulok na prinsipyo mo. Yan lang ang magpapabagsak sa'yo. Deligod pa rin ato ang level. Batura ka boy kontra sa ko papel. Lumusibuntok tabo naman kinumo sa imong ulo. Tanan ako ibubuingon ka kay taas ki kwadrado. Pero maasta ka grabe man kagago. Bughak ka wapay sa 2% papaganit ko nag-ibul pagkatiguro. Hey, I got this, Holmes. I got this. Sick and tired you wanna be a boss, you'll never achieve that because I'm across you against me. You'll get automatic loss every time I hit you. I hear around the applause. Sometimes I feel so ironic. She praise you even though you're so demonic. Don't get me wrong, it won't be dramatic. I'll make sure this will leave you traumatic. State of mind, you'll not be fine. Worst thing will happen, never cross my line. I'll go berserk in this kind of line. Can't hide cause I have back and I'm lost. Actively instinct, rapping into some powerful mad music. Get ready for this kind of topic. I know you'll run because of high risk of your life. Kinda like it's true that you're afraid to fight. This is me when I walk to the other side. May affect all your little kiddie pride. This is not some kind of black magic. Your wounds are fairly realistic. It's like you're in a heavy traffic, devouring your energy in a drastic. Fooling you, that's why I do. Lion King versus Scoby-doo. I'm the one and you're just number 2. Met my lyrical sports jitsu. I saw you came from behind the bars. The kid that being scared of doors. You're dope with no fight, just all bars. I'm all iron like Big Mac and Sparks.